Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your printer driver facing an error? This issue can be resolved by restarting the print spooler in Windows and resetting the print system on the Mac device. In today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions to solve the issue. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's start with the Windows device. For Windows, in the taskbar search field, type Services and open it. When the Services window opens, scroll down until you see Print Spooler option. Now, what we do is right-click on it and choose the Restart option. After that, a pop-up will appear, so let it complete. If our Windows solution fixed the issue, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing more issues with the printer, please let us know in the comments. Now, let's reset the printing system on your Mac device. For Mac. On your Mac, click on the Apple icon. Open System Preferences. Now, the Printers and Scanners window will open up. Go to the Printer section and right-click on the white space. Click on the Reset Printing System. Now, a confirmation box will ask you to confirm the action, so click on Reset. Note, after this, you need to add a printer again. If the system asks for a password to complete the action, enter the key and click on OK.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.